Simone, and thank you so much for joining me today for our painting of metallic skies. Before we start, let's go ahead and take our paintbrush and just slightly wet down our canvas. This is going to make blending our colors a little bit easier. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of our white paint and I'm putting that all over my canvas as a base coat. Okay, now I'm adding just a little bit of our rose gold paint and blending that in with our white. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm going to blend back in some more of our white and also alternating that with our rose gold paint until I get the background color that I'm looking for. Okay, now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take my blow dryer on a cool setting and dry my canvas just a bit, or you can go ahead and let your canvas air dry. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my yellow and white and a touch of my rose gold just to give my painting a little bit of extra character. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my canvas on a cool setting. Now that I have my background the way that I would like it, then we can go ahead and continue on with our painting. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and begin painting in some of my clouds. Let's go ahead and take our white paint. You can go ahead and follow along as I am if you're not sure what you need to do. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take my rose gold paint and start adding in some rose gold clouds just to give our clouds a little bit of depth. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit more of my white and then alternating the rose gold as well. If you're not exactly sure what you need to be doing here, just watch me for a few moments and then follow right along. There's no right or wrong here when you're doing clouds. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our rose gold paint and start our very first hot air balloon. When you're painting this, it actually takes on the shape of a light bulb. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take our rose gold paint again, mixing it in a little bit with our black, and start the beginnings of our basket. If you're not exactly sure what to do here, just go ahead and follow along. Okay, all I'm doing here is just making some little X marks. These are actually the cables that are going to connect our basket to our balloon. Okay, now what I'm going to go ahead and do is begin another hot air balloon, but this is going to be in gold. You're going to put one in the upper right hand corner and another one in the upper left hand corner. If you're not exactly sure what to do, just watch me for a few minutes and follow right along. Okay, now what I'm going to go ahead and do is add a little bit of white to my balloons just to give them a little bit of extra character. On my rose gold balloon, I'm actually adding in some little bows. I'm just giving my balloon a little bit of extra character. This is optional. You do not have to do this if you don't want to. And I'm adding a little bit of white paint to the top of our balloon just to give it a little bit of extra definition. And I'm adding a little bit of yellow ochre just to give my balloon a little bit of extra depth. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and add some more clouds with our white paint. The process here is pretty much the same as what we did at the very beginning with our clouds. Just go ahead and watch me for a few minutes and follow right along. now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sign my painting at the bottom, and then I'm going to just add just a few little birds just to give my painting a little bit more character. And there you go. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you soon.